Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Parag. Good
Yeah, ma'am.
evening, everyone.
Good
So,
evening.
your screen, have you
Yeah,
shown your
so we
screen,
are
Parag?
starting now. We are starting now, ma'am,
Logic.
because now almost our webinar is just completely booked.
Fine,
Uh,
fine, fine.
so just we can start now.
So, good evening,
Yeah.
everyone. Yes, good evening, everyone. And hope you enjoy this session because today is going to be a very, very special session. Nobody does this kind of work that to be free for members, but we definitely want to do it because I think the kind of love, respect, and affection you all have given to the entire Stockpro team is something absolutely cannot be compared with anything. So today we will be discussing a lot. Before I begin, let me just introduce you to your host. So today the session will be taken by Parag, Mr. Parag, and he's a specialist in intraday strategies, and he's a master's strategist. He's got very very good experience of formulating the strategies which are just people don't even know about them. People don't even understand that this kind of a thing can happen. So what I also want to tell you here is that tell me how many of you are struggling to be a successful intraday traders. So you can raise your hand and Parag will tell me because I don't have the access to the chat as of now.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
anybody, all of you, please tell me in case how many of you are struggling, with intraday. What are your challenges in intraday?
Yeah, yeah. First of all, am I audible to you guys? Please reply. Yeah, okay, okay, fine. So most of the people are just sending big yes, ma'am. They are struggling. Most of the people are just saying yes and yes, yes, yes. So most of the people are just saying yes, and
So now,
almost all.
question to you all is, what is it that you're struggling with? Is it the stock selection? Is
Yeah,
it the
Joyantha is replying, yeah, selecting stocks, correct, entering correct trades, picking the
uh-huh,
trades, entry and
uh,
exit, stop loss, stock selection, and hitting stop losses, entry
okay,
and exit, like that.
uh-huh. So I think all the points that you are discussing are very, very important points because if your stop loss is too deep, your losses will be more. If your targets are small, you will, the day your stop loss will hit, you will have maximum losses, like your all the profits will be wiped out. Similarly, if your stock selection is incorrect, you will not be able to get the return on your trades. So now my question to you people is, how many of you have been watching the kind of trades we give it on Stock Pro? Like I'm sure you have all come through the Stock Pro channel, Telegram channel, or you are present on a Twitter account or on the Facebook or in the Instagram. So I'm sure you all have, seen what kind of trades we give. So anything that you would like to speak about the trades that we give? Hope you like the kind of unidirectional trades we give. That is only our specialty. Nobody knows about them. Nobody knows how to filter those stocks. That is what not we're going to be teaching today, because that's a absolutely a little long thing. Besides that, not only that, it takes a lot of it's a full process that one has to go through to filter out unidirectional trades. But still, we'll give you some basics today, right? But how are the trades? How do you find our trades?
Yeah,
If you
people
can
are
just give
responding,
us
ma'am. Particularly about Santosh is saying about escort. Escort was just lovely, and
okay,
most of the people are just saying stock selection is good, and they are following the stock pro, and they are just finding the trades very good, and positional is again good. Most of the people are saying Nestle was good, superb, Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean
that we.
responses are just positive. Yeah,
Did, did you all trade along with us in sale or in the sale or national aluminium on that
yeah.
day?
BEL was there one time. We have posted, ma'am. BEL, है ना?
Ha, 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 ha. So nice,
So yeah, yeah.
good
So
guys. So
yeah,
so
positional as well as intraday, they are just following the trades.
yeah,
And Sumit is saying about national. He has bought national.
okay,
Yeah,
national
yeah,
aluminium.
yeah,
So I am holding national aluminium August futures. I'm not holding this month's futures. I'm holding next month's futures. So if you are, if you are really, wanting to, I mean, these are all. I mean, I'm particularly holding sale and national aluminium for the month of August because I believe the target sale target is about 45 or maybe 50. It may go up till 50, and the national aluminium target is about 42, 43, or maximum 45. So I'm holding these positions. So anyway, now I will hand it over to Parag, and he will walk you through, different challenges that intraday members have, and how you can really counter them, and how can you become a better successful trader in intraday. So Parag, please take over, and please
yeah.
use your mentor at this point of time. He's an expert into intraday. Please, just take over, Parag, please.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Before beginning today's discussion, again welcoming all of you guys. We always try to make the knowledgeable things in front of you. And yes, and we are getting your positive responses day by day. Here also, we are getting huge positive responses, ma'am. Before taking our further slides, I will just tell you most of the people are just following the trades. Particularly, they are talking about IOL chemical was fantastic, and the stock selection, whatever the positional stocks Stock Pro is giving, was the fantastic, and they are just following. So thank you guys, thank you so much that you are following Stock Pro, and you are just liking all these things, the efforts putting Stock Pro for you guys. So thank you for that. So yes, today's topic is of course a very important topic, and it's about intraday. So, as we have discussed about challenges that you are facing, uh, first of all, the challenges regarding the screening of stocks. So, we are talking about that first of all, how we are going to screen the stock, and what are the subjective criteria for just screening winning stocks. So, yes, if you screen a positive or negative bias stock regarding to the market situation and its price, and if you are just holding that stock and booking profit positively, that we have discussed in previous session, how the people are just missing out of the trades and they are not just maximizing their profits. So today is the next step for that. And if the trader is finding good stock, and he is able to find out, or able to have any good screening tool, then it's always a additive advantage for the trader. So first of all, how we are going to screen the good stocks, means of high probability stocks. So the first point regarding this is exercise. What do you mean by exercise now? Is a subjective criteria. First of all, the strategy whichever you are using, that may be your intraday, that may be positional, whatever strategy you are using, or swing strategy, whatever, that criteria must of all you have to fulfill. And according to that, just list out the bullish and bearish stocks end of the day. And uh, just after listing, yeah, I will use Hindi as well, because people are just missing out English. तो हम क्या करते हैं कि जो स्क्रीनिंग कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो उसमें सबसे पहले सब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया, हमारा क्राइटेरिया क्या रहना चाहिए कि हम जो स्ट्रेटेजी यूज कर रहे हैं, जो ट्रेडर स्ट्रेटेजी यूज कर रहा है, जिसको डेली वो अपने ट्रेड में एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए ले रहा है, सो उसके लिए क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से बुलिश एज वेल एज बेरिश स्टॉक का लिस्ट उसको बनाना है. ही हैज टू मेक list of bullish as well as bearish stocks end of the day, or we can say one day before. Suppose we are going to trade on Monday, so he has to just take the end of the day analysis and just make list of bullish as well as bearish stock. तो उसको bullish और bearish stock का list बनाना है. लिस्ट बनाने के बाद में ही हैज टू जस्ट मार्क आउट रफ लेवल्स. रफ लेवल्स का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है कि एंड ऑफ द डे में उसकी अगर मेरे को एंट्री लेनी है मेरे क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से, स्ट्रेटेजी के हिसाब से, सो व्हाट कुड बी माय एंट्री, जस्ट मार्क वन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन टू दैट एंट्री एंड स्टॉप लॉस एंड अ प्रोबेबल टारगेट. मतलब मेरी जो रिस्क है वो ट्रेड में, उसके हिसाब से मेरा एक रफली टारगेट क्या रहेगा और मेरी एंट्री क्या रहेगी और मेरा स्टॉप लॉस क्या रहेगा, उसके हिसाब से यू हैव टू जस्ट मार्क आउट द रफ लेवल्स. yes, I am also using English, don't worry Ravi. So you have to just mark out first of all list of bullish and bearish stocks, and after marking the list, after making the list, you have to just mark out the three levels, probable rough levels we can say. Those are entry, stop loss and target. And whenever you are just putting your stop loss, rough stop loss, then you have to follow the risk management rule. I think some of the risk management things or tips we have discussed in previous session, but in our stock pro courses we always include the risk management and trade management sessions, because whenever we are having rough levels in our mind and when we are going to trade those levels in live market, then we must ensure about how much risk is involving in that particular trade and what could be my probable target for that. So it could be very easy to analyze a winning trade for a trader. So this is a important concept most of the people are just missing in their trading practice. So we are going to include this in our stock pro courses. Okay, now next one, when, of course in लाइव सेशन, मतलब जब भी मंडे को हमें, अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन हमारा जब मार्केट का मंडे को रहेगा, तो ये में हमें मंडे को ये ट्रेड लेने हैं ऑफ कोर्स. तो एंड ऑफ द डे एनालिसिस हमें करना है एक दिन पहले, और हम प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं कल के लिए फॉर द नेक्स्ट मार्केट सेशन, like that. Okay, so we are planning our trades for next session by just marking rough levels and making list of bullish and bearish stock. So I hope up to this all the points are clear to all of you guys. If it is yes, then just ping big yes, so that we can know that you are just getting the things properly. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for your just overwhelming response. And I see most of the people are just enthusiastic about this session. So of course we'll go further. So this is the first thing, which is exercise. Next one is strategy. So here we are taking one basic strategy. This is just a basic strategy. This is not any a stock pro strategy, because we are just implementing and executing high probability strategies for intraday as well as positional strategies. So today we are going to just include one basic strategy, so that the idea for entering and exit and finding out the good trades, means a high probability trades, can be covered and can be known to you. So first criteria जो है basic strategy में, वो है SMA. So I think most of the you are aware of this SMA. This is a simple moving average. We are just taking simple thing here. I think you all of most of you are just aware of SMA. Yes, it's a simple moving average. सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज मतलब क्या रहता है कि जो प्राइसेस है, सपोज वी आर टेकिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज ऑफ 10 डे सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज. सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज क्या करेगा, लास्ट 10 डेज के क्लोजिंग प्राइसेस के हिसाब से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेगा और उसका एवरेज निकालेगा, वो एवरेज के हिसाब से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेगा, हम देखेंगे इसको। तो यस, मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों के यस आ रहे हैं, तो ऐसे में आपको पता है। द नेक्स्ट strategy is daily high low, DHL. So this is a basic criteria for price action. जो लोग प्राइस एक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी का यूज करते हैं उसमें बेसिक क्राइटेरिया लगाते हैं वो, दैट इज डेली हाई एंड लो लेवल। नेक्स्ट वन इज आवरली हाई एंड लो लेवल। और लास्टली स्टॉक इन एक्शन, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। स्टॉक इन एक्शन का मीनिंग, और स्टॉक इन एक्शन को हम लाइव मार्केट में कैसे एनालाइज करना है, तो बेसिकली एक इम्पॉर्टेंट और सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट मैं बताता हूँ इसमें। वैसे तो वेरी मतलब प्रोफेशनल लोग, जो हम लोग मतलब स्टॉक प्रो में यूज कर रहे हैं, वो अलग क्राइटेरिया है, दैट इज मोर प्रोफेशनल क्राइटेरिया, बट टुडे विच आई एम टेलिंग यू इज वेरी बेसिक एंड बट वेरी यूजफुल। अगेन आई विल टेल यू, बेसिक बट यूजफुल क्राइटेरिया इज जो हमें एनएससी के साइट पे या कोई भी साइट के ऊपर हमें स्टॉक इन एक्शन दिखी जाता है, मतलब वो हाई गेनर्स में आएगा, हाई लूजर्स में आएगा, तो इट मे बी अ लूजर्स एंड गेनर्स। ओके, सो दैट इज स्टॉक इन एक्शन। सो उस दिन उसमें न्यूज भी रह सकती है, so news based stock, or we can say gainers, which is the stock which is appearing in gainers and losers list, so that could be a stock in action. This is very basic criteria, I am talking about basic criteria. Okay, but most of the people, the pro traders, are using very different tools and very different subjective criteria for finding stock in actions. Okay, so फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट बुलिश स्टॉक। तो बुलिश स्टॉक में हमें क्या करना है, सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज लेने हैं दो, 10-day सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज एंड 20-day सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज। ओके, इट्स ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम। व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बुलिश स्टॉक, जब बुलिश स्टॉक की बात करेंगे हम, तो जो स्टॉक 10-day और 20-day मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है, दैट इज अ बुलिश, वी कैन सिलेक्ट इट एज अ बुलिश स्टॉक। And the stock which is trading below 10-day and as well as 20-day moving average on daily time frame is a bearish stock. Okay, जो 20 days SMA और 10-day SMA के नीचे ट्रेड हो रहा है, that is a bearish stock, और जो ऊपर ट्रेड हो रहा है, that is bullish stock. So I think this is clear to you. सबको ये क्लियर है यहाँ तक SMA, because this is first point. Okay, 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 okay. Then next one. So this SMA is, we are talking about in a daily time frame. Daily time frame में 10 as well as 10-20 SMA एवरेज को अगर वो ऊपर या नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, दैट इज द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया. ओके, यस, SMA is in, SMA will think about or will take about 10-day and 20-day moving average. Whenever stock is trading above these two levels, it is a, we can select it as a bullish stock. And whenever it is trading below 10-day and 20-day SMA, it could be a, we can think about it as a bearish stock. Okay, next one, daily high low. Whenever the stock is just uh, breaching the high and low levels of daily time frame, means if the stock is just moving above daily time frame, that is high level on daily time frame or previous day, it could be a bullish. And whenever it is just moving down the low level on the daily time frame of previous day, it could be a bearish. So that is daily high low. Yes, again for daily, whenever we are talking about daily, it is a daily time frame. I hope Ananta आपको clear है this point. Whenever we are talking about daily time frame, then time frame is daily. Okay, clear to you? Daily high and low. Okay, okay, fine. The next one, hourly high and low. Now we are talking about hourly time frame. Okay, so when we are talking about this particular point, list of bullish and bearish stocks one day before, so we are just thinking about what, which level, daily SMA 10 and 20 above and below, daily high and low, above and below. Okay, okay, fine. Now hourly high and low. Now this hourly high and low, we are just taking this parameter hourly high and low in live market. Whenever we are going to trade or we are going to screen the stock in live market, we are thinking about hourly high and low. Yes, I will show some example to you. Okay, Harish, fine. So hourly high and low is in live stock market, while SMA 1020 we are selecting as a list of bullish and bearish stock. So those could be a 1 day before analysis SMA. Okay, and again stock in action will be in the live market. In the live market, we'll consider stock in action. So I hope this criteria is clear to all of you. SMA, daily high low, hourly high low in live trading session in live market, and stock in action again in live session in live stock market. So stock in action, I again repeating for you. The basic criteria for stock in action is it must if we are selecting any stock as a bullish stock, and again it is appearing in that particular day in gainers, so could be a bullish. We are thinking again for bullish screener. Okay, now for this we have made very simple scanner on charting website for all of you guys, so you can use that scanner for your reference purpose or for study purpose. So I will just put it as a, this is a charting website. I think all of you must know about this, charting.com. Go to screeners. Okay, and in screeners just put scan HCB and enter. So this scanner will appear. Click on it. So this is the subjective criteria that we have used. See this, we have taken, this is the bullish criteria for bullish stock, because we are thinking about buying for this by using this scanner. Let us close is greater than SMA 10, let us close is greater than SMA 20, and hourly that we have discussed about that. uh, it will just crossing daily high, hourly high of previous candle. So this scanner is showing this much stock because we have just screen the list from the Nifty 200 segment. Okay, so we'll think about this. We'll just put it BBTC, that is Bombay Burma. See this, the movement of this stock is around 8+%, and this one is MGL. This was again for a bearish uh, purpose because stock was moving down. So now BBTC. So see this one, BBTC is just trading above 10-day SMA and 20-day SMA. See this one, 10-day SMA is red line, 20-day SMA is green line. So stock was trading above 10-day and 20-day moving averages. Okay, and on the previous day also, because we are just testing it now. So on 9th of July, it was trading above 10-day and 20-day SMA, and on the 10th of July, now we are applying hourly time frame. On the daily time frame, it is above 10-day and 20-day SMA. 10-day और 20-day SMA के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है ये स्टॉक. तो हमारे जो 1 डे का जो मतलब EOD का जो क्राइटेरिया था एंड ऑफ द डे, 1 डे बिफोर वाले क्राइटेरिया को ये मैच कर रहा है, और मतलब ये 9th ऑफ जुलाई को आ रहा है इसमें, और अब हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे आवरली टाइम फ्रेम में. सी दिस वन. सो जैसे ही स्टॉक आवरली टाइम फ्रेम, just 1 minute, I'm using horizontal line for you guys. So जैसे ही ये स्टॉक 1 आवर के हाई को ब्रेक करेगा, पहले 1 आवर को हमको सब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया में लेना है इन द लाइव मार्केट. नाउ दिस इज 9:15, दिस इज द फर्स्ट आवर क्राइटेरिया. when the stock is moving above this high level of first hour candle, so we can think about this stock for trade, just taking the trade in this particular stock. ओके, वन डे में अबव ट्रेड कर रहा है, डेली टाइम फ्रेम में 10 और 20 के, आवरली टाइम फ्रेम में भी 10 और 20 के अबव ट्रेड कर रहा है ये स्टॉक। और जैसे ही 1 आवर का कैंडल को ये उसके हाई को ब्रेक कर रहा है और ये गेनर्स या लूजर्स में आ रहा है, मतलब बुलिश है तो गेनर्स के एक्टिविटी में आ रहा है, so that we can we can screen this stock is also matching our stock in action criteria। तो ये इसको ब्रिज कर रहा है और लेवल देखो इसका 1176 को तोड़ के ये 1236 को मीट कर रहा है। इसका मतलब इतना उसने मूवमेंट दिया है, जैसे ह्यूज मूवमेंट, so it's around 60 point movement, and you can put the stop loss below 1 hour candle, or you can take the stop loss at the support level also, और प्रीवियस कैंडल का जो सपोर्ट रहेगा उसको भी आप स्टॉप लॉस ले सकते हो। सो दिस इज अबाउट द बुलिश स्टॉक। ओके, आई होप कि ये आपको बुलिश स्टॉक का जो एग्जांपल है वो समझ में आया होगा, बीबीटीसी। ओके, कोई डाउट है किसी को रिगार्डिंग दिस? दिस इज वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बहुत ही सिंपल है, इसमें ना कोई इंडिकेटर है ना कुछ, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। जस्ट हमने सब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया यूज करने के लिए यहाँ पे 10 डे और 20 डे एसएमए को यूज किया है, और उसमें हम प्राइस एक्शन के क्राइटेरिया डाल रहे हैं। वी आर ऑल्सो एडिंग प्राइस एक्शन, हाई एंड लो को ब्रेक करना है उसको, स्टॉक इन एक्शन है। तो कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज नहीं है इसमें, वेरी सिंपल है। गौरंग, आरएसआई शुड यूज आरएसआई एंड वॉल्यूम, तो आप इसमें आपका जो क्राइटेरिया है वो भी ऐड कर सकते हो। ये तो सिर्फ बेसिक और सिंपल चीज हम लोग आपको आज बता रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे लोगों को एक सिंपल जो चीज है, या बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं रहता कि कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लेने चाहिए ट्रेडिंग में, इंट्राडे में, तो उसके लिए ये हम आज ले रहे हैं। यस, 10 एंड 20 एसएमए 1 आवर चार्ट अबव बुलिश, वन डेली टाइम फ्रेम में भी अबव है, और आवरली में 10 एसएमए के ऊपर में भी अवेलेबल है ये स्टॉक। स्कैन कब करना है? स्कैन आपको लाइव मार्केट में करना है, और आपको अगर एंड ऑफ द डे एनालिसिस करना है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसमें ये जो कंडीशन है, बाकी की कंडीशन को आप बंद करके सिर्फ ये दो कंडीशन रख सकते हो एंड ऑफ द डे एनालिसिस के लिए, और उसको रन करना है आपको। सो यू आर गेटिंग दिस मच स्टॉक, इतने स्टॉक आपके रडार पे आ रहे हैं बुलिश टाइम फ्रेम में। ओके, तो इसमें से अगर आपको कम करना है तो आप हर एक, मतलब बहुत सारे लोग तो फ्यूचर में ट्रेड करते हैं, दे आर जस्ट टेकिंग ट्रेड्स इन फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस, सो यू कैन जस्ट change this segment also। Okay, select as a future and run scan, so you are getting the stocks now, all are these are the F and A stocks। तो ये तो एंड ऑफ द डे एनालिसिस हो गया, जो 10 डे और 20 डे के अबो ट्रेड कर रहे हैं स्टॉक। अभी आप जब लाइव मार्केट में ट्रेड करोगे तो क्या करोगे, इसको रन करोगे, and in the future and option segment you are getting this much stocks। so you are just take this United Spirit now। So United Spirit I think is a McDowell। Now see this in the daily time frame, we'll see first the stock was trading above both 10 day and 20 day SMA। Okay, so just fulfilling our criteria of daily time frame। Now we are converting into hourly time frame। Now see hourly time frame। Okay, so whenever the stock is just moving or breaking the high of first hour candle, and the stock is in a stock in action mood, okay, and again the stock is trading in 10 in the hourly time frame, the stock is trading above 10 day SMA moving average, so again it is just fulfilling our hourly criteria also, so it's breaking high level, and then see the movement of the stock 627 to 639, and stop loss is very small, is around 6 or 7 point. So this is movement of McDowell. You can see this. Okay, fine. Siddesh, you are asking about target. So I think we have discussed this particular topic in previous session, how we are going to book the profits and everything, because we cannot just tell you all the things in this session, because it requires more time, and we will cover all these sections in our courses. Okay, find out. For taking stop losses, you can take the low level of hourly time frame, the first hour candle, or you can just put your stop loss at support level, near support level, or below support level. Okay, okay. So this one. Now we'll take bearish stocks. Just see this. Yeah, previous session is also available on YouTube, Ganesh. So you can just search there on the channel. You can get that. This one is Scan HCS. The second scan. This is again a free scan, and you can use this scan, because we always believe that sharing all the knowledge and basic things freely to all of you guys, so that you can just see and study those things, and if you like, you can go ahead and join us. Okay, so this one. So see this stock close is trading below 10 day 20 day, आवरली टाइम फ्रेम में नीचे है, नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, और आवरली पहले आवरली कैंडल को ब्रेक करके आ रहा है. अभी इसमें कौन से स्टॉक आ रहे हैं देखेंगे. सी दिस वन, महानगर गैस. सी द मूवमेंट ऑफ महानगर गैस. Yes, scanner is absolutely free. You can use this. You can just search there on screener charting.com. Go to screeners, scan HCB and scan HCS. Okay, and search. Okay, scan HCS. I think someone has copied also, so that's why it's showing copy. Okay, that's good. Now stock in action, that we have already talked about, that stock must be in the gainers and losers list. That is a very basic criteria. Okay, so just Mahanagar Gas now. See the movement of Mahanagar Gas stock. See daily time frame. Stock was just trading below 10 day and 20 day SMA. So it is in our bearish list. Now converting it into hourly time frame. Okay, now stock again trading below 10 day and 20 day SMA in hourly time frame. Stock is just breaking low of first hour candle, or whenever the stock is breaching down or moving down the low level of first hour candle, you can think about shorting opportunity. Stop loss is very small. You can just put your stop loss at this high of the first hour candle, or some aggressive traders can also put the stop loss at near their resistance level. We can see, so this could be a resistance level, or closing, or sorry, opening of the first hour candle also. See the movement of the stock, 1004 to this much, 969. So huge profit in this particular trade, huge movement in the stock in very small risk, means risk and reward ratio is also huge. So that's why risk reward ratio, means risk management, also is a very important criteria. We have taken this thing in our courses also, because whenever we are screening stocks in live market, we always have to think about risk management first, because if we are getting 4 or 5 stocks in our screener, in live market, which are the high probability trades. We are just trade into those stocks which is having a high probability uh, and having a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is about MGL. Now see the next top, PNB, Jubilant Foodwork, like that. Okay, now see in this particular thing, stock has not uh, made, or the stock has not just got down the previous low level of hourly candle, not break the low of the first hour candle. So this could not be a trade in this scenario, not matching our criteria. So discard this trade because trade never got exit. uh, we are not going to enter into this trade, not trigger, the trade was not triggered. So this is not our trade. The next stock was Jubilant Foodwork. I hope this particular example is clear to you. आवरली में ये 10 डे 20 डे को के नीचे ट्रेड हो रहा है, बट आवरली टाइम फ्रेम के लो में लो को इसने ब्रेक नहीं किया. ओके ओके ओके, यस, राइट राइट राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज Jubilant Foodwork. Let's see what happened to Jubilant Foodwork. See, wonderful trade, fantastic trade. See this one. This one was the entry below low level of this hourly first hour candle trade. The stock is just trading below 10 day and 20 day moving average. See the movement in this stock, huge movement. The stop loss could be at this level, entry could be at this level 1663 or might below that, and 1681 is stop loss. So very small stop loss and see the reward. This is the fantastic example of having a good risk reward ratio and proper management of risk and finding out the good trades by just making a simple things. But most of the people are just not aware of these things, and they are just get jumbled out and confused because of so many people are just sharing so many things on YouTube and etc. Okay, see on the daily time frame also the stock was trading below 10 day and 20 SMA. Okay, okay guys, so I think this point is clear to all of you. So this is about a simple basic strategy. You can just first study the strategy. If you like the strategy, if you like, just back test the strategy for some months, for 1 month, 1 month, 2 months or so. If you like, just practice the strategy. And this is just, I will again repeating you for you, this is just a very basic strategy. But most of the high probability parameters are not included into this, but still you can use this for your study purpose also. And if you just like this strategy, you can think about this. Okay, and this again, data keeping is very important. Just make your logbook, rule book. I'm repeating this thing again, we have discussed this thing in previous session also. And just make your logbook and write it down, your profit and losses, everything into that logbook. Make your rule book. That must be your strict exercise. And after that, analyze the strategy on after a week or after a month or even a daily basis also. And just write it down, the risk reward ratio in each trade, how much maximum profit you have got, minimum profit you have got, minimum loss, maximum loss, etc., percentage profit loss, etc. And then think about logical analysis according to the situation of the market. Okay, so market is moving up, market is moving down, and then what is happening with this strategy, like that. Okay, so this is analysis part. And now discussion, this is very again purely educational presentation, no any recommendation from for trading in stock market, because it involves risk and can bear losses also. Before trading, take advice and help of professional traders or financial advisor, your financial advisor. Stock Pro does not take responsibility of your trades. Okay, so that's it guys. If you are having any question regarding this, just paste me. And this is very simple thing, but in our uh, courses we are just including many such probability parameters in live market, screeners in live market, risk management, trade management, and many additive things. Okay. Losers and gainers, you can just think this, you can just see this losers and gainers on NSE side also, on money control also. Yes, you can use this for Nifty 50, Nifty 200, and futures and options everywhere. Any indicator combination you suggest with this strategy? See, Ajmal, indicators are just lagging, they are just following price. And we always believe in Stock Pro, there's indicator and everything is just a outdated, or we can see as a lagging indicators. If you are just mastering the price action strategies, if you ready to study those, and if once you are aware of those strategies, price action, then all these things are just delayed things. Okay. So whenever the people are just entering into trades, pro traders are just uh, taking the 1 as to 2, 1 as to 3, means double profit they have already booked in that trade. Okay. Elliott wave is not our today's discussion. We are going to stick for the today's discussion criteria only. What about call put options? Call put options, those again very different criteria and different topic. We always again ma'am can talk about this also in upcoming sessions also. So okay ma'am, just you can join us now please.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm here. So guys, how did you find this strategy? Because see, I think Parag, agar we can tell them about the logbook and the rules and strict. See, what people do, मेरा जो अपना personal experience है, they just hear one strategy from us and they jump to trade next day. Whereas, if you really want to learn and understand, you should back test it for 3 months minimum, not 3 months, 3 years, and practically back test it in the live market at least 3 months. So 3 years back testing and 3 months live testing, and then you should start with small amount of money. Say 100 shares, अगर कोई 100 रुपीज का शेयर है तो अबाउट 100 शेयर से शुरू करो. लाइक आप लोगों ने मेरी बायोकॉन स्ट्रेटेजी देखी है. People, one of a lot of my students, they start with only 100 shares, and you know how much money is needed? Just 2,000, 3,000 rupees, and your loss is very small, and your targets are also, and it's a very, I have back tested it for years and ages, like it's ever since its inception, ever since Biocon was launched, the IPO was launched. I have analyzed, every day how it has performed. And that's when I've concluded, okay, this is the criteria, this can be done. So if you don't know whether, Biocon strategies, Parag, you can please show them, the YouTube channel that we have. And on the YouTube channel, they will be able to go to if they go to the videos, or they can just type Biocon and they will get the strategy. Biocon, and just click it over here, and they will be able to see 2 videos or maybe 3 videos on Biocon, where I've done the live trading as well, and I've given the strategy. So these are the 2 videos. Just pull them. These are the 2 videos you can watch for Biocon strategy. So it's simply 3,000 rupees. But this video is recorded in 2018, where the lot size was about 900 and the price was about 600 plus. So now your stop loss has to be changed. Your target has to be changed. All those need to be done. So we are doing all our required, the due diligence and finding out what should be the right stop loss and right target. And please go through this video. So you have to test, अगर आपको ट्रेड करना भी है, you feel compelled to trade, कि आप नहीं, बस मुझे करना ही है ट्रेड, तो छोटी क्वांटिटी से करो. 100, 150, 200. Don't do trading with one lot. One lot is huge amount of money. If your stop loss is 2 3 points, you are gone. Like your quite a bit of capital is gone. एंड एक और चीज मैं जो लोगों को बोलना चाहूंगी वो ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि प्लीज यू ट्राई टू फिगर आउट योर स्टाइल. Like I know there is Bhavneet. He's very smart in quickly booking the profit, putting the stop loss, trailing the stop loss. So that's his style. There are other few members who will like to, like Parag would like to hold the stock the whole day, isn't it? Whereas Bhavneet will be out from trade in within few 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And similarly, my style is to hold stock for few days, right? So like I'm holding right now, SAIL and National Aluminium. So each of you have to recognize your style and work upon that style. That fine tuning will get you enough money. Enough money is there in the market. You just have to, look in the right direction and find the trades. So we can just quickly show them the SMM slides in case they want to join, because we are starting from tomorrow. So this course is for everyone from the beginners to the advanced level. And here, you have this course has basically got three parts. So the three parts are basically we talk about the positional trades, then we talk about the option selling. Very elaborate videos are made on option selling. The whole course usually cost about 35 to 40,000 rupees. We are giving it in this SMM course itself. And then the third part of this program is the intraday trading. So that program, intraday is partly taught by Bhavneet and partly by me, and we do the live trading and select stock in the Stock Pro way, unidirectional trades. And there are some very, very strong secrets of candlestick pattern that are taught for positional trading. And yeah, so there is a Stock Pro setup. Based on that, we do the option selling, option buying, etc. And you will get 4 weeks of intense live classes. You get 3 months of premium advisory and 6 months of live support. You can repeat the program within next 6 months. And I think people lose enormous amount of money. This what we charge for the course is basically nothing, just very very small amount. So anybody who's interested in doing the course can give their number or call up on the numbers. We can just show them the slide on which the numbers are given. So, or if they have a question, they can ask. Any question you have
Yes, ma'am.
regarding Barag,
Yes.
you can read out if there is any question, I will answer.
Yes, ma'am. गाइस, किसी को अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन है हमारे ये एसएमएम कोर्स के बारे में तो आप पूछ सकते हो। और सी बहुत सारे लोगों की कमेंट आ रहा है कि जो स्ट्रेटेजी आपने बताई दैट इज गुड, थैंक्स फॉर योर विशेस और जब जो कमेंट आपने किए। लेकिन मैं सब अगर जो मैम ने बताया मैं फिर से उसको हिंदी में रिपीट करूंगा एक बार कि देखो कैसा है, कोई भी स्ट्रेटेजी बताना और देखना बहुत सिंपल है, बट उसको सही तरीके से आप स्टडी करो, उसको प्रैक्टिस करो, उसमें रिस्क मैनेजमेंट प्रॉपरली डालो तो वो स्ट्रेटेजी कमाल हो जाएगी। कोई एक या दो दिन में कोई विराट कोहली या वो नहीं बनता। जैसे मैम ने बताया कि सम इज गुड इन इंट्राडे, समवन इज ट्रेडिंग इन स्कैल्पिंग, समवन इज बेटर इन पोजिशनल। तो हर एक की स्टाइल रहती है, वो अपने स्टाइल के हिसाब से काम करता है। तो अपनी स्टाइल ढूंढिए, रूल्स डालिए प्रोफेशनली और धीरे धीरे इवॉल्व हुई आप। So people are asking about ma'am SMM fee course and
35,000. We can just show them on the channel. Whoa, on our website, we can show it. Or they can call up the numbers that given over here, or they can give their phone number. Our team can call them up, and we ensure that you
आप
get your money
आप
back.
अपने जो मोबाइल नंबर है वो प्लीज पोस्ट कीजिए इसके ऊपर। तो आपकी जो क्वेरी होगी हमारे जो लोग हैं बैक एंड वाले लोग जो है एडमिन वाले, वो आपको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
And besides that, they can use their credit card and just pay 2,000 per month kind of fee. And they get much more, the kind of calls we provide, the research we do, and by that, what we get in the positional trades or the intraday trade, no one does it. No one has capacity to do it. More often than not, their stop losses are hit. So something that we do very, very special kind of trading that you will be part of. So you can see over here, this is 35,000. You can pay through any major credit card, and it'll become very, very easy for you to every month pay 2,000 rupees. And 3 months we provide you the premium, our stock selection that will help you in recovering your fees. Yeah,
Roshan is asking that he can use iPad or mobile because he is not having laptop for
absolutely.
this course.
Absolutely.
So you can use this one. You have iPad or mobile also. So that is not
Yeah.
issue for that.
But I, because
Yeah.
if they want to do trading, they must have a laptop. Start earning chota chota paisa, 1,000, 2,000, and buy a laptop on installment because that'll help
यस
you a
मैम,
lot.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं तो मेरे से स्किप हो जाएगा, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. नरेंद्र
जो
इज
भी
आस्किंग, यस मैम, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्टिंग यू. Narendra is asking, sir, it is possible to join daily class, can we get the recorded videos?
Yeah, it'll be uploaded on the website. You can watch them. So many of the videos are from YouTube only. But how do you make money from those videos? That will be taught in the live classes. Most of the course is uploaded on YouTube. But how do you make money from that? That is what we teach in the live classes.
यस यस. तो इसमें कैसा है, डेली जो क्लासेस है वो डेली टाइमिंग में होगी, आफ्टर 7 PM,
Yes.
8
Yeah.
PM आवर सेशन रहेगा, और वो उसको रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, एंड यू विल गेट एक्सेस फॉर जस्ट दोज रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो, सो यू कैन जस्ट वॉच इट whenever you want to see those videos. Okay, so I hope कि ये क्वेरी आपकी क्लियर हो गई होगी नरेंद्र जी. Yes. So what are the timing of the class? Sudhir is
So
asking.
time, so as Parag said, in the evening after 7, when Parag will take, probably he'll take it after 8, and when I will take the class, it'll be from 7. And live market trading will be done in the live market hours.
Yes, yes. तो प्लीज आपके जो मोबाइल नंबर वगैरह रहेंगे वो आप इसमें पोस्ट करो, ताकि हमारे जो बैकएंड की टीम है वो आपको हेल्प करेंगी इसके रिगार्डिंग फीस एंड योर टाइमिंग एंड
तो
क्लासेस
ठीक है,
एक्सेस.
भी आपको फाइनेस्ट डिटेल चाहिए वो हमारी बैकएंड टीम आपको सपोर्ट करेगी. We have a big team of backend team, so they will help you out with understanding every single thing.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Parag ji, Parag Patil is asking. Yes, what is your question? Please repeat.
कुछ मिस तो नहीं, कोई क्वेश्चन मिस तो नहीं हो गया?
विच इज कमिंग मंडे. हाँ, यस, एक्चुअली कल का एनरोलमेंट का ये लास्ट डे रहेगा, है ना मैम? कैन यू प्लीज गाइड फॉर दिस?
सो कल तो वेलकम क्लास है. दे कैन ज्वाइन टिल मंडे तक ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद देन दे विल हैव टू वेट. एंड इफ दे हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग market profile course, even Bhavneet is available. He will be able to answer. I don't know whether he can be added as a panelist or not, but he can answer some question in case there is somebody who want to join.
Sham is asking, can you explain premium advice?
Premium
About
advisory
premium advice.
basically premium stock selection in the live market for intraday and for positional, and that is for our members. That is not paid advisory. We used to have it earlier, but now we are only giving it to the. Our main sole aim is now to educate people, because even in advisory, even if it was 100% good, but they didn't know how to enter, how to exit, how to put the stop loss. For example, if I would tell buy above this, so they will think, why should I wait till buy above this? उससे पहले ही वो लोग मतलब उनको कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. Those who are taking advisory. So we have stopped giving advisory.
यस यस. एक्चुअली जब ट्रेडर को खुद पता है, लॉजिक पता है उसको, तो किसी का एडवाइस लेने की क्या जरूरत है, खुद ट्रेड कर देगा. इट्स लॉन्ग लाइफ ट्रेडिंग.
Yes.
If 1 hour candle breaks upside, what breaks upside but SMA is above, then what to do? तो वो तो क्लियर हो गया, मैंने बताया था आपको, क्लियर किया था कि 1 hour कैंडल में भी SMA के ऊपर रहना चाहिए कैंडल का, वो जो क्लोजिंग प्राइस है, तभी आप उसको देख कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग टाइमिंग, क्लासेस, कोर्सेस? ओके, थैंक यू पराग जी। आप अपने मोबाइल नंबर अगर पेस्ट करोगे तो आपको आपकी सभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है, तो आप सभी लोगों की क्वेरीज बैकएंड की टीम सॉर्ट आउट करेगी, क्योंकि यहाँ सबके क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग टाइमिंग्स एंड वो रिपीट हो रहे हैं। तो इफ यू जस्ट पेस्ट योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स देयर, ओके। Credit card, yeah, credit card option available is there. You can just
Absolutely.
paste your number, VS, please. So backend
Credit
team
card,
will just help you.
they will help you. And we have all the credit card options available.
Yes, you can just watch our recording videos and according to your suitable timings. Yes. Yes, Raghuram, just paste your number. Yes, kindly call me for joining the course. Of course, backend team will call you. Uh, so many questions. Just paste your mobile number, guys, please, so that the backend team will call you.
In the course, or you can ask right away also, and you can give your phone number also. You will get a
Yeah, yeah,
call, and they really help you understand every single point about it.
yeah.
You call once we finish after half an hour, 45 minutes. You'll get the call today itself.
Yes, Anuradha ji, what you are asking? I have been waiting for the reply. Yes, what is your question, please? Can you repeat? Because बहुत सारे questions हैं, तो miss हो गया होगा. Please repeat. Yes. Regarding once we join the course, when can we start trading? Yes, ma'am. Please.
I would really request to you can start trading from day one. But my question is when you go to school first day, do you ask the teacher when will I start earning? No. First concentrate on learning, because earning I can understand there are right now the situations are not really good and all of us have compulsion to earn money, but I would still say give yourself 2 months 3 months, and whatever stocks we give, like if I give a future stock, I give its cash counterpart also, and we give positional stocks as well. So trade in small quantity. Your main criteria should be to first understand how the calls are given, how the stocks are suggested, and then start making small amount every day, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 every day. Your idea should be to understand your body language, control your emotions, and execute with confidence small trades, right? Don't start with one lot or two lot or 100 lots like that. Just, go slow. I would say that. First, आई थिंक 1 मंथ अगर आप डिवोट करोगे, थोड़े दिन कॉल्स को देखोगे, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कैसे करना है. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वेरी डे. जिस दिन आप ज्वाइन करते हो उस दिन से शुरू कर सकते हो. बट माय पर्सनल सजेशन विल बी टू really absorb the whole process.
Yes. Kapil is asking SMM course is for how many days?
1 month.
So it's a 1 month course. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you can just paste your number. Dheeraj, you will get the reply from backend team. Okay, thank you. और इसमें कैसा है कि लाइव सेशंस भी होते हैं, मैम और भवनीत जी रहते हैं उसमें, so they are just helping out. ये एक बहुत मतलब रेयर है कि आपको लाइव ट्रेडिंग सिखाया जा रहा है, दैट इज वेरी रेयर. उसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि कैसे लाइव सेशन, लाइव मार्केट में ट्रेड लिया जाता है, कहाँ एंट्री है, कहाँ एग्जिट हो रहा, कहाँ एग्जिट लेना है, सब प्लान करके आप देख सकते हो उसमें. और फिर आप जब कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा आपको, तो आप शुरुआत कर सकते हो विद स्मॉल क्वांटिटी. सो थैंक यू गाइस. कोई क्वेश्चन है और किसी के? यस, सुनील कुमार. If 3 months we will learn how we will benefit from premium advisory call.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that 1 week you should watch how the
Yes.
calls are given, then start with small amount, right? You will understand what how the calls are executed. I'm not saying do it after 3 months. Do start doing after 1 week or so. It's not that you join. You can do it. You can trust on our research that I'm telling you, but do not trade huge quantities. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, yes. Is SMM course is useful for all. Nagarjuna.
Absolutely.
Yeah, for all. Difference between market profile and SMM.
So different indicators altogether. So in market profile, we have absolute data in the sense we see the market orders, the buyers, the sellers, then there are different indicators and there are different scanners that are used and that are used in the live market only. So that's a difference. See, it's like the script is different. I'm using Hindi, let's say. So in market profile, it will be English. Two different languages altogether to filter out stocks in the live market and then trade.
Yes, when will be the next live trading session?
That will let you know on the Telegram channel.
हाँ, पहले तो आप ये बताओ कि आपको लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशंस कैसे लग रहे हैं सबको? बिकॉज सब लोग उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं और सबको उसमें ऑसम, यस, पीपल आर सेइंग ऑसम, फैंटास्टिक, गुड. सो सी, ट्रेडिंग करना इट्स अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू चेंज योर साइकोलॉजी, योर माइंडसेट, यू हैव टू जस्ट कम ओवर योर इमोशंस, देन you should learn
It's a
about risk
big,
management, then trade
it's a big,
management, and then fantastic strategies.
uh,
And then slowly it's a compounding process. No one can just uh, become a good batsman like Virat Kohli in just 1 month.
yeah,
It
absolutely.
requires time and requires practice. And once you get perception from your mind, then you will just find out these things are very awesome. Yeah. So thank you guys. Any other question, please? Please suggest for entry level people like me. Nagarjuna is asking, man.
So that is SMM. You can start watching YouTube videos and you can take SMM. So, and then you do once right away. And once you repeat after 2 months, 3 months, when you are comfortable with all the terms and everything, you can repeat the course. Not the advisory will not be repeated, but the course can be repeated.
Okay. So Manesh is saying one thing, ma'am, which is very fantastic thing regarding live sessions. It is one of you who are dare to going live trading sessions.
Absolutely, nobody can dare to. That I absolutely agree because they have no capacity to filter out stocks. So wait for Monday, Tuesday will show you something very very out of the world.
Yes,
The
yes.
work something I will post a video probably when you have never heard about it on YouTube or anywhere. Just wait and watch. Wait Monday, Tuesday. Our very very our tech team is working on it. So we'll just show something outstanding.
Shirish is asking what you will teach in course, technical analysis or only strategies.
Technical analysis plus the strategies plus execution of the trades, everything will be taught. And the part that is going, see, I'll tell you, 1 week will be, we will be mentally attuning you like about the stocks, how should you be your mental, like Parag, what will you be doing in 1 week? You will be
Yeah, first week
strategically
is very
choosing it.
crucial because people are just completely unaware of the trading concept. They are just
Yeah.
don't know trading, how the trading could be done, how
Huh.
much capital you have to use, how much risk you are going to use, and just come over of emotional bias. Because see,
Absolutely.
75 to 80% people are just missing out the trades. They are just fearing, just having a fear in this in their mind, stucking questions in their mind, and just greedy for the target, and they're just missing the targets and entry properly. So all those first week is regarding that, just changing your trading psychology.
Yeah. So, and then we will be doing 1 week, we'll be spending on filtering out the positional trades, right? Then next week will be spent on option selling. And the last week will be spent on intraday. That is how, and we're going to talk about no rubbish like scanning and sleeping trade. There's no such concept in Stock Pro. We simply talk about price action in the entire course, whether it is option selling, option buying, or it is positional, or it is intraday. Only price action is our main criteria.
Yes, yes. So I hope कि सबके doubts, questions clear हो गए होंगे regarding course. और आपको अगर कोई और भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप अपने नंबर प्लीज पेस्ट करो ताकि जो हमारी बैक एंड टीम है आपको हेल्प कर सके उसके रिगार्डिंग भी.
And you can also call up. You can
Can
call
I
up right.
join? Can I join on Monday or Tuesday or registration are closed by tomorrow? Sudhir is saying. Just post your number, Sudhir ji, please. Backend team will really help out regarding your this question. So you can just enroll for the course. Sudhir ji, I'm audible.
See, if you have any doubt or any query, just post your number. Our team will be back to you. Get back to
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Yes, yes.
Otherwise, Monday is fine. Monday tak theek hai. Uske baad we will be closing. Because see, I don't want you to get delayed by more than 1 or 2 days, because initially we'll be mentally attuning you for stock market. You will be mentally strengthened. You will be acclimatized for the stock market. That is what we'll be doing.
Yes, yes, yes. Vikas is saying that can we get any certificate?
See, we will be giving you completion certificate, right? But to fulfill the criteria, completion certificate is one, but that is just going to be telling you about the that you have done the training. But to get the certification for employment, you have to do the stock filtration, you have to do the option selling, you have to do the intraday trading, and 3 months you have to show your trades on a consistent basis. Then we can give you employment certificate as well.
Yes, yes. Anuradha is saying tomorrow what time is the class? I have already joined. Tomorrow what time is the class? तो
You will get
वो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा.
आपके ग्रुप पे आ जाएगा. प्लीज डोंट वरी.
हाँ, एंड वो बता रहे हैं कि योर बैक एंड टीम एंड योर टीम इज जस्ट गुड. बहुत टाइम से उनका क्वेश्चन मिस हो रहा है मेरे से. ओके, थैंक यू. सो I think
that's it for today. Bye bye. Take care and see you tomorrow in the first welcome class of SMM July batch. All the best, guys. Take care.
Yes, Roshan, what you are saying, I am planning to join the course in next month due to some financial issue. Okay, but just post your number so that our backend team will help out. Whenever you want to join the class, that is not the issue.
Credit card, it's barely anything, just 2,000 rupees a month. And anyway, you just talk to the team, right? Roshan, don't worry about it. The team will keep you in the loop and will discuss with you whatever way possible they can help you.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so, all right. Good night and trade well and trade along with Stock Pro. A lot of innovation is happening. A lot of things are getting made which nobody even thought about. Something which is absolutely going to be different. All right. With this, we'll sign off. Good night. Take care.
Bye, guys. Take care.